proper dress. I'm wearing sleeping dress.
Mommy. Side effect ng radiation at pagbabagal din ang pulso niya, tsaka parang may pagpipil siya. Kung muna natin siya bigyan, kailangan mamigas siya. Basic po.
Okay.
Please, light meals muna po Huwag muna heavy meals. At saka iwasan niyo yung matatabang na amoy. At sa labat po, kakatulong po.
Okay.
How do you know all this? Kasi pinagtagal ko. Kailangan ka. Sabihan mo lang ako.
Okay, let us have here the reading 6.4. Okay. So, by the way, teacher Ann will ask. Wait me for a minute, ha? Just wait, teacher.
Nagpa-count sila.
Okay. So, we have here, Okay, I will show. I changed dress. Okay, so here. So, thank you so much, for today, for tonight. Okay, by the way, what will be our class day? What will be our class time? Your dad told me that you have to tell me the class schedule for this year. Okay, how was your first day in school? Did you enjoy? Do you feel it great? Your new classmates, new
No,
friends?
I think normal because all my friends like don't know anyone like, oh, who is she? No, I don't know.
Like every one of you are new?
Yeah.
Wow. So you're transferring from different school now. You're transferring from different school?
Yeah, what?
You're transferring different school?
Yeah, because I'm a lower secondary school.
Oh, okay. So now, what will be our schedule? Your dad told me that you have to tell me your schedule. So when will be the available time for you? Before is 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and you told me Friday, MWF 8 p.m. How about now?
What?
Before you told me our class is 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Would that be okay? The same?
Monday. Wait me. Monday and Wednesday.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? Is that your schedule?
In the evening.
Yeah, in the evening?
I think it's okay.
So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is okay, Ngi, right? 8 p.m. 8 p.m.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes. Okay, please. Okay, so because I have class with Tuno, Friday 7 p.m., Saturday 9 a.m., and Sunday 9 a.m. Okay, that's my schedule with Tuno. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay, so let us start now. Okay, we have here, okay, the pet. I am sharing you 6.4. Okay, please try to answer me.
Okay.
Okay, how are you? How's your trouble with your brother?
It was fine.
Okay, you feel great? You enjoy?
Yeah. Yeah.
You enjoy the travel?
Yeah.
Now, please tell me the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so please think about other users of the gym when playing the music system. So, okay, when using the music system in the gym, please remember to switch it off. If you put on music, consider the other people in the gym. Actually, Ton Angi, your answer is correct. Of course, your answer is also correct. If you put on some music, consider the other people in the gym. Or when using music system in the gym, please remember to switch it off so that other people will not be disturbed. Okay, so next one.
Okay.
Have here. Oh, so having a great time. Some of the group have returned home, but the rest of us are having boat trip tomorrow. See you next week. What is the answer? You have to going on boat with members of the group tomorrow. Okay, that's letter B. Okay, 3. English library. All books are arranged in A to Z order. Please put them back correctly. What is the answer? So if you were gonna borrow the books, arrange it in A to Z order. It's letter C. Okay, you should replace the book in order that you found them. Example, if you get the book from Z, you have to return it in letter Z. Okay, very good, to. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, so we have here, if entrance door is locked, please press button to contact hotel reception. Okay, let us use this button to call hotel staff if you cannot get in. Very good, of course. If the door is locked, you have to press the button and contact the reception. Very good. Okay, David, I'll be back late. Don't forget Carla needs a lift to band practice at school. Please make sure she's in uniform. Okay, what do you mean by that one? What should David do? You should check Carla is dressed properly and take her to the band practice. Oh, very good. Yes, lift, it means you have to give ride. Okay, Carla. Wow, very good. Okay, this one. Can you try this, me? Oh, it's hard for you.
No, it's hard.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so this one. Wait, Mingy, ha? Somebody's calling.
Yep. Teacher, wake me, please.
Ayan. Okay, so this one. Look at the sentences, Tommy, below about competition. You read the text on the opposite page to decide if it is correct in or or incorrect. Okay, go.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here, all prize winners will have their stories printed in the magazine. Keep writing. Okay, write a winning story. So it means you are gonna write a story that will win. Okay. Okay. So you could win 1,000 this year fiction prize and have your story printed in Keep Writing magazine. 10 other lucky people will win a check of 100. Okay. So you will gonna win 100 pounds check. Okay, 10 lucky. But the winner, of course, we're gonna have 1,000 pounds. Okay, so this one, write about what you know, get your facts right, hold the reader's attention. So these are the contents. So it means you have to find way on how to win the 1,000 pound first prize by writing fiction story. We need people who can write good stories. The judges include Mary Littlejohn, novelist, Michael Brown, television reporter, and Susan Hitchens, editor. Okay, we are looking for interesting and original stories. Detective fiction was extremely popular last year. Although the competition winner produced love story. You can write about whatever you want, but here are some advice to start thinking. So if you write, there are some advices first. Oh, wait, ah. Okay. This is write about what you know. This is the advices which every writer should pay attention to. And last year, nearly everyone who wrote for us did exactly that. Love, family, problem with friends. These were the main subjects of the story. However, you need to turn ordinary situation into something interesting that will people want to read about. Okay, get your fact right. Okay, so it's no good giving a description of a town or explaining how jet engine works if you get it wrong. So avoid writing anything unless you are certain about it. Okay, so it means it's not good giving description of town explaining how Jacqueline engine work if you get it wrong. So do not make or write anything which is wrong. Okay? Avoid writing anything unless you know you are certain. You know you are sure it's true. Pull the reader's attention. So you have to cut the reader's attentions. Okay. Make the beginning interesting and the ending surprise. There is nothing worse than a poor ending. Okay. Develop the story carefully and try to think something unusual happening at the end. Okay, letter B. Most people entering the company let's follow the advice they were given. Yes. Writers should remember to check that any information they use is correct. Yes, this is correct. You should write correct, not wrong. Okay? The magazine is looking for stories which are unexpected ending. Is this true? Yes, there should be an unexpected ending. Okay. Writers are encouraged to describe the people, their stories clearly. Okay, it is correct. Very good, Nick. And stories should either be written clearly by hand or type. As it mentioned, you need to write it words untyped, double space. Okay, letter B. Okay, it is only type, not hand. Okay, type. Late entries can be fixed if necessary. We need to Okay, B. The magazine will send back all stories which have failed to be selected. Wow. And the rules of the competition. What is the rules? Okay. Okay, it is A. And writers enter stories which magazine outside are already printed. Okay, wow, many correct me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you've got 5 correct answers. Okay, I know this is quite hard. Really. I know this is hard. Oh, why are you laughing? Okay, so we have here. Being an older student, what do you think is the negative and positive if you go to university and you are older than your classmates? Okay, please read. Ay, very hot me. Mm. Oh my God. This today? Wait, today na yung panty? You changed panty? Ah, sige, wala pa eh. Dili ba ho?
Okay. Good job.
Okay, so being an older student. So at 32, I have just finished my first year in university. As well as attending lectures regularly, I have to learn to read books quickly and write long essays. So this is the perks or the advantage or disadvantage if you will going back to school and you are already an old student. So I decided to go to university after 14 years away from classroom. Imagine 14 years, he went back to university. As secretary, although I was earning reasonable amount of money, I was bored doing something where I hardly had to think. I became more and more depressed by the idea that I was stuck in the job. I was jealous of the students at the local university who looked happy, carefree, and full of hope, and part of something that I wanted to explore further. However, now that I've actually become a student, I find it hard to mix with the younger colleagues. They're always mistaking me for a lecturer and asking me questions I cannot answer. I also feel separated from the lecturers because although we are the same age, I know so much less than them. Oh, so because he is still student and the lecturer, although they have the same age, but the lecturer is the teacher. They already knew everything. Okay. I know you need qualifications to get rewarding job, which is really important to me. Unlike most 18-year-olds, I much prepare for a weekend with my books to one out partying. Then there are the normal student benefits of long holiday and theater and cinema discounts. I often have doubts about what I will do after university, but I hope that continuing my education at this state has been a wise choice. Okay. Now, what is the writer trying to do in the text? It's letter B. Okay. And what can a reader find out about the writer from this text? It is letter A. When she left school. Okay, quite high. It's okay. Go here. Oh, your hair is getting longer. Your hair
Yeah,
is, yeah, it's getting
long,
longer now.
yeah.
But teacher Ann cut the hair. Can you see? I cut my hair. Shorter. But your hair getting longer. I want the shoulder level knee.
Yeah.
You cut your
Uh,
hair.
yeah.
Hmm.
The first one is this,
Yeah.
and it's this.
Yeah. It becomes longer. You tell your dad to cut your hair like this. You are prettier if your hair is like this.
But I like my longer, my
Oh,
uh,
oh, but
I
I like the shorter one.
cut my hair.
Um,
When I have my longer hair, I think it's very beautiful. But
wow.
I have a short
But you're
hair.
very, but if you have short hair, your face like baby. But if you have longer hair, you looks like a lady. Really? Yeah, it changes.
Oh,
Okay, it changes your aura, your what's that? Your face. Because when your hair is like this, you looks like really young. But when your hair is like this, you look like a lady,
oh,
teenager. Dede. Duha ko na, de. Duha ko na yung crush.
okay.
Okay. So how did the writer feel about her job as a secretary? Okay, it's letter C. Okay. In her spare time, the writer likes to what? Likes to do extra study. And which of these sentences describe the writer? Okay, it is letter A. She realizes the value of university degree. Okay, very good, Nyi. Wow. Okay, 26 and 25. This is the last because I have another class with Tono. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, letter B, correct. Oh, correct. Letter C, as usual. Okay, ordinary 30. Ordinary sold for 825. And letter B, correct. Okay. And letter A. And you find it hard, Nick? Very hard? You find it very hard? Okay. So, me, I will see you on Monday, 8 p.m., right? 8 p.m. Okay. Wednesday, 8 p.m. and Friday, 8 p.m. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yep.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.